Hello everyone, welcome to Click Excel. Someone keeps changing your Excel data? Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to lock cells and prevent editing. First, select the cells you want to lock. I want to lock these name cells, so I'll select from 1 to 10 and right click on that and go to format cells. The format cells window, go to protection. Under the protection tab there is a option lock. All cells are locked by default, but it works only after protecting the sheet. How to protect the sheet? Go to the review tab. Under the review tab there is an option protect sheet. Click on that. If you want, you can enter the password to protect the sheet, and under that there are some check boxes. When we protect the sheet, we can't edit, delete or format the cells. We not even selecting the cells also not allowed. So if you check this checkbox, select locked cells, we can select the locked cells. We unchecked means we can't even select the cells. So I will show you by checking and unchecking. Now I uncheck this one. I'm not giving any password. If you need, you can enter the password here and click on OK. Now Excel sheet has been protected. Now try editing anything. See, try to click on the any cells in the Excel sheet. No, it's not selecting. So if you want some of the column and some of the cells only you want to lock, other cells you want to give the formatting for others. When you shared your Excel sheet, that time if you want to lock some cells and if you give the others to edit other cells means that time you can use this protect sheet. So how to select the cells? For that first we need to unprotect the sheet. So click on this unprotect sheet under the review tab. So this is sheet has been came to original form. Now in this sheet you want to give others to editable permission means select those cells, right click, format cells. Under that cells it's selected as locked. Now just uncheck that option and click on OK. Then go to review tab and protect the sheet and click on OK. Now sheet has been protected. You can't select any other data. Unchecking the lock option, go to the protect sheet and here you have to select the option select unlocked cells. Then only we can select the cells which are unlocked previously. So then click on OK. Now sheet has been protected. We can't click on anywhere except this here. We are unlocked these cells, that's why we can edit here. All other cells are locked except these. That's how you lock the cells in Excel. When we are using the shared Excel sheet and you don't want to any other people to edit your data, that time you can use this feature. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Click Excel for more easy Excel tips. Thank you for watching.